In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up product recommendations in ShopWired and why you might want to consider other options to meet your specific business goals. Stay tuned because by the end, I'll also share a competitor that might be a better fit for your needs and a special bonus that you won't want to miss. First thing, let's dive into ShopWired's product recommendation tool. ShopWired offers a way to suggest additional products to customers based on their browsing or purchase behavior. This feature is designed to boost your sales by promoting related products right on your product pages, cart pages, or even in your checkout process. Next thing, to set up your product recommendations in ShopWired, you'll first need to log into your admin dashboard. From there, navigate to the Settings tab and find the Product Recommendations section. You'll see a few options here for how you want to display these suggestions. ShopWired lets you pick from product categories, recently viewed items, or even related products based on customer interests. Setting this up is simple, but it's important to make sure the suggestions make sense for your customers. For example, if a customer is looking at a camera, showing them camera accessories or lenses would be a good choice. Now, the fourth thing you'll want to focus on is how to optimize these recommendations. You don't want to overload customers with too many suggestions, which can feel pushy. Instead, aim for 3 to 5 product recommendations at most and ensure they are relevant. The goal is to increase the value of each transaction, not overwhelm your customers with options they don't need. The next thing to consider is tracking the success of these recommendations. ShopWired provides some basic analytics, but if you're really trying to optimize, you'll need to keep an eye on which products are being clicked on most frequently and which ones are converting. You might want to tweak the recommendations based on this data, continually refining them to ensure they're effective. However, while ShopWired's product recommendations are functional, there are some limitations. For instance, the customization options can be a bit basic. If you're looking for more control over how recommendations are shown or more advanced AI-driven suggestions, you might find yourself wishing for more features. Which leads me to a competitor that offers a more flexible and AI-powered approach to product recommendations, one that can help you boost conversions in a smarter way. This competitor integrates seamlessly into platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and others, and provides a level of personalization that ShopWired can't quite match. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that while ShopWired can work for basic product recommendations, there are better alternatives for those looking to really dial in their strategy. In fact, I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you're interested in the software I just mentioned, you can get a free trial, plus some incredible extended benefits through the link in the description. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Ultimately, while ShopWired has its place, if you're aiming for a more advanced, personalized experience, you may want to give this competitor a try. Don't forget to check out the link below for your extended free trial and exclusive offers. Thanks for watching and happy selling!